Hello guys, welcome back. Madhur this side, and today I'm going to discuss on the amazing steps to publish and optimize your WordPress post to achieve the Google rankings. Okay, so we will understand the fundamentals and then we will also try to understand the practical part step by step. Okay, so ideally, when you are actually publishing the post, right? So first thing is you have to pre-publish the post. Now we will understand what is pre-publishing. So in pre-publishing, you first have to create a keyword and content strategy. So in that, what are the steps involved? Okay, one is keyword research, next is comparator analysis, and next is content planning. Correct? So now let's get back to the practicals immediately. Okay? Yeah. I click on ads.google.com. Okay, click on start now. Then I select my Google Ads account over here. Okay, alright. So now in the tool section, okay, so you have to click on planning, and then on planning you have to click on keyword planner over here. Okay, so now we'll understand what is the blog topic all about. Correct? Okay, so we'll close this browsers so that it works well. So it is certified scrum master training. Correct? So this is a project of scale up consultants. Click on discover new keywords. So I type here as training. Okay, so my target location is pan India. Then I click on get results over here. Yeah, so here it is. Okay, so I'll just click on this icon and I can download the report in CSV file. So here is my keyword report over here. Now when you are publishing blog post, correct, so what is important here is you have to select those keywords in your blog post, okay, which is having high search volume and low competition, or you can also select those keywords which is having medium search volume, medium competition, okay, then low search volume, low competition. So HML, this is a combination of high, medium, low. Okay, so ideally if you are publishing and optimizing the blog posts in the search engines, so what is important is traffic. Correct? You need traffic to your post. Now if you want that search engine should send traffic to your post, right? So ideally what you have to do is in the initial stage you have to optimize your blog post for those keywords which is having high search volume and low competition. Okay, so you have to first filter out all those keywords over here. Got it? Clear? Okay, so we will try to get the relevant keywords. Okay, yep, so let's get started. So we'll click here. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll just try to get the login details and password from here. One second. So in the meanwhile, so we discussed about keyword research. Okay. So now we'll also discuss about the comparator analysis. So basically what is important is you have to understand that whenever you're publishing a blog post, right, what are the top ranking posts that are actually doing fantastic for your target keyword. So in that case, what are you expected to do? You have to analyze the content structure, then you have to analyze the keyword and heading usage. This is one way. And next important section in pre-publishing stages, you have to do the content planning. So when you're doing content planning, so what is required from you? Okay, so basically you need to have a compelling title. Okay, so that incorporates your target keyword naturally. Okay, so in that case what you have to do, it's basically very important. Okay, so that you have to actually outline your descriptive content in such a way so that this is actually addressing the search intent behind the keyword. Okay, so these are the stages of pre-publishing. Okay, so keyword research, comparative analysis, and content planning. So now we will understand the practical part. Okay, so let's do the practicals. So let's get log into the WordPress part here. Okay, so one second, I close this over here, close this browser. Okay, yeah, so here it is. Control C, Control V. Yeah, remember me, I click on login. Yes. So now if you have to do comparator research, correct, so now we are logged into the blog post, correct. So it is guide to certified scrum master training, correct. So I'll copy this title in Google search. Okay, I'll go back to incognito window. Okay, so we will try to identify which are the keywords here. So basically this is the keyword, how to become a certified scrum master step by step. Okay, so this is the topic published by one of our competitor, knowledge chat. Okay, so you can also understand, right, okay, what type of content is published, right. Okay, it could be a blog, it could be a video. So okay, so how to become a scrum master, a step by step guide, correct. So this is how you can understand basically, when you start doing content research with respect to your comparator analysis as well. Okay, yep, okay, got it. All right, so now we'll go back to the practical part. Now first is I'll click on add new post over here. So let's start with the practical. It's very easy and simple way. So we will be doing the optimization as well as the publishing part. Okay, let's copy this title over here. Okay, now this is the WordPress dashboard. So if you click on plus icon, okay, so what you see here, plus icon, you have to add the paragraph block. Okay, just add the paragraph block over here. That's it, this is added. Copy the text here. Okay, copy this text here step by step, control C or control V. Okay, so in that case I'll tell you one shortcut method how this has been done basically. Okay, see, first paragraph block I'll add, I'll show it to you. Okay, I've added this over here, go back here, add one more paragraph block. Okay, done, this is added. So this is going to be a long session, so guys please be patient. Okay, so I add it here again, I go back here, plus icon, paragraph block, add it here. Okay, again, because why you have to add the blocks, because every content is going to be published in the paragraph block, correct? Okay, yeah. Okay, so plus icon, paragraph block, add it here step by step, introduction to CSM training. Okay, so now again plus icon, paragraph block, add it here. Keep this as bold. Control V, control B. Okay, let's copy this text first and then we'll add a paragraph block. Okay, control C, paragraph block. Okay, control V, so let's see, understanding, 31st Scrum Master, definition and role. Okay, so we have removed the bullet points here, and then okay, so we have added the content till here. Okay, so let's take one more paragraph block. Efficiently. So I'm showing you the practical part also, like how this has been published. So right, you also have a fair idea about it, correct? So please be patient because this is going to be a very long session. You can do the practical side by side. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's copy this in paragraph block over here. Okay. So let's do the formatting part. How this is done. Okay. Excuse me. I'm not feeling well, so please manage with my cough as well. So here it is. Okay. So this is one thing. So let's do the formatting here. Alright, so now so here you could see that we have added this over here, steps to download the CSN certificate. Okay, so here it is. Let's scroll down here. Okay, take a paragraph log here. Okay, let's copy this over here, paragraph log. Alright, then so let's remove this pointers part. Okay, alright, so I hope this is pretty clear to you guys. Okay, so once this is done, then you have to add the one more text block that's called paragraph block over here. Okay, okay, so what I've done is with this we have published the post over here. Okay, so now we will save it as draft over here. Okay, then we'll do the further optimization part. Now we'll go back to the PDF file. Okay, now when you're publishing like a pro, okay, so what you have to do is you have to create a new post. Okay, so as I've already shown you, basically you have to create an SEO friendly permalink structure post. Okay, so I'll show you how permalink works. Basically when your URL structure has a keyword, okay, in your as a keyword in the URL, right, so that becomes a permalink post, right? So and then you have to write engaging content, which I've shown you. Then you have to optimize for your word count. Then you have to do the internal linking part. So now if you could see internal linking, right, so let's say if I click here, This is called as internal linking. Okay. Right. Okay. So now if I have to do the internal linking, correct? Okay. So my target keyword is this certified scrum master CSM course. Okay. So control B, control V. Okay. Okay. So let's do the formatting part. Okay. Okay. So we have done this part. Okay. So I think you've understood the practical part, right? Like, how I have actually published the post over here. Then we have also done the optimization part over here, correct? Then engaging content, optimizing a WordPress. So I have showed you the internal linking part as well. Okay. So now you have to optimize for categories and tags. So you have to choose relevant categories and tags that further describe your post content, right? Okay. So now how are you going to do that? So let's say if you have to select categories and tags here, right? Okay. So I'll scroll up. Okay. Click on settings tab. Okay. In settings you have two options, post and block. Okay. Let's say if I click on post tab as of now. So here you have different categories. Okay. So we'll create a new category here. Click on add new category. Okay. So here you will say as certified Scrum Master training. Okay. So this new category is created. Correct. So here we will say as certified Scrum Master training. We'll say as CSM training. So now if I open the Excel sheet here, right? Now you have to set those keywords which is having high search volume, correct? And low competition. Let's take this keyword, Scrum Master certification, 18,100, correct? Okay. Then CSM certification. Okay. Then certified Scrum Master certification. Okay. This is done. Alright. So we have created the categories, then we have added the tags with reference to the keyword planner as well. Okay. So now I go back here. Okay, so we have to add the banner image here, correct? So we have the banner image from the downloads folder. Okay, so here it is. This is the banner image. Okay, so that's called as cover image here, correct? So I'll add it here, upload files. Okay, so here it is. This is cover image, right? This is called as featured image, and this is thumbnail. So here we will upload here as cover image. All text we'll keep it here as keyword. Okay, select, this is added. Okay, then now you have to add the featured image. Okay, so upload files. Okay, so once again guys, so just hang on for a minute, because yeah, I have to fix this. You can set featured image. Okay, this is done. Set featured image here. Okay, so here it is. Now I've added the cover image, then I've added the featured image here. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to add the page title and meta description, correct? Yeah, so take this, Control C, scroll down, this copy here, so this comes in 45 characters. Okay, so now you are going to use AI. Okay, so you could see our score has improved to 79, right? Okay, so we will further improve our score. Now you have to use AI. You'll use Claude.ai. Now you have to write a prompt. Act as if you are an experienced SEO specialist with 20 years of work experience. I want you to write a powerful SEO optimized description in 160 characters on, you have to write a topic, integrate the CTA in the SEO optimize description. Okay, enter. Okay, so here we have, okay, so here it is. Unlock Agile Master with a comprehensive guide to certified Scrum Master training, gain in-depth knowledge. Okay, so now you have to frame it in 160 characters here, right? So let's copy this part and let's, then you have to give a human touch. So you can just take ideas but never do copy paste from AI as well. Okay, let's see what is the character limit. So this is coming 239 characters, correct? Okay, now Agile Master with a comprehensive guide to certified Scrum Master training. So let's try to remove this line. Okay, we'll remove this. Now we are okay. Enroll now and accelerate your career in Agile project management here. So see, now score has improved to 82, correct? Okay, now we'll go up over here. So it is telling me your headline could be better. Okay, the score is 40 out of 100 for headline here. Okay, so now uncommon words, let's try to do that. Let's do the optimization part over here. Word count. Okay, okay, so let's try to do that. Let's close this, set it. Okay, so here it is. Okay, we'll save draft. Now this post is saved in the draft mode. Okay, so once this post goes live in some time, then further we can increase the optimization score as well. Okay, yeah. So now then, what are the magics you can play? SEO magic with plugins is, we have already installed all-in-one SEO plugin. Then you can also integrate the focus keyword. Okay, so you can set your target keyword in the SEO plugin for focus optimization. Okay, then page title, meta description, optimize headings, image alt text. Then once the post goes live, then you have to publish and promote. Okay, you have to promote your post on the social media platform. We have to create backlinks. Then you have to do guest postings, right? Okay, so you can actually reach new audiences and gain backlinks by guest posting on relevant topics in your niche. And then you engage with comments. Technical SEO is very important. Okay, so ideally when you're publishing post, you have to optimize the images, utilize a content delivery network. You need to have a mobile friendly design. The internal search is important. Long term SEO and content strategy. You need to have content clusters for your blog. Then you can also integrate schema markup integration. Okay, then you have to monitor your analytics in Google Search Console. Once the post is indexed and crawled in Google SERPs, then you have to update content regularly. Advanced SEO tactics is like you have to optimize your post for voice search. Okay, so you might consider how people might ask questions which are specifically in relation to your topic. So you have to incorporate those phrases naturally. You have to use structured data, and mobile speed optimization really is of utmost importance. You have to optimize your page for high mobile speed, okay, for better UI and SEO. Okay, then you have to keep on enhancing the best SEO practices for your particular post. Okay guys, so this is how it is. So with this I end my today's presentation. So I hope you could find it valuable. In case you have any questions, you can please ask in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.